This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Pico Mix FNF. First, it's important to understand that Pico Mix FNF is typically a fan-made modification for the popular rhythm game, Friday Night Funkin'. Before diving in, make sure your computer has at least 2 GB of RAM and a decent processor to run the game smoothly. You'll be downloading some files, so ensure you have about 500 megabytes of free storage space available. Now, let's find those mod files. Your best bet is to search for Pico Mix FNF mod download on well-known Friday Night Funkin' modding communities or forums. It's crucial to verify the mod's authenticity. Always read user reviews and check for any red flags. Download the mod package from a trusted source to avoid any unwanted software. The file size is usually between 100 and 200 megabytes. With the mod downloaded, it's time for installation. First, extract the compressed mod files to a temporary folder, perhaps on your desktop, using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. Next, find your base Friday Night Funkin' game directory. This is where the main game executable is located. Carefully copy the extracted mod files into the appropriate game folders, often replacing existing assets. Remember to back up your original game files first, just in case. Finally, you're ready to play. Launch the Friday Night Funkin' game executable directly from its main directory. Once the game loads, navigate through the menus to confirm that the Pico Mix content has been successfully integrated. You should see new songs or character options related to Pico in either freeplay or story mode. Now, you can enjoy the fresh challenges, unique stages, and exciting musical battles that the Pico Mix mod brings to your game experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.